What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That is me, y'all. That is me. I'm about to make something good for breakfast. I'm about to do some berry muffins. Some buttermilk berry muffins. I seen this recipe on, well, I didn't see it, but I listened to this recipe from a lady on YouTube called Joy of Baking, Miss Stephanie Jaworski. And she baked all kind of goodies. So I use her recipe, but it's a common recipe, just like you do in blueberry muffins, except I'm putting blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries in it, and putting some buttermilk in it. All right, let's do the recipe right quick. And it's gonna be simple. Be right back. All right, for our dry, I have 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. In there, I'm gonna put 1 cup of sugar. This is a recipe, like I say, you're not gonna need a mixer. This is gonna need a whisk and a spatula. Also, this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. Okay, that's all in your dry. And right here, I have the zest of 1 lemon. So, zest your lemon. Okay, and get your whisk and incorporate it all together. Now I got fresh berries, but I froze my fresh berries because they was on sale. So it's gonna be 1 1/2 cups of berries. I got a 1/2 cup of blueberries, a 1/2 cup of raspberries, and a 1/2 cup of blackberries. Okay. All right, I grabbed any bowl for the wet. For your wet, you're gonna put 1 egg, 1 large egg. Okay, let's whisk that. You're not gonna need any butter. This is an all-based muffin. Gonna put a 1/2 cup of canola oil. Okay. 1/2 cup of canola oil. Show you how simple and easy this is going to be. 1 cup of buttermilk. And make sure all this is room temperature, y'all. When your buttermilk get room temperature, that butter part comes to the top. Okay. 1 cup of buttermilk. And let's put 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. Okay, I got the Mexican vanilla. Okay, that's it for your wet. That is it. Let's take that 1.5 cups of frozen berries and put them in there while they're frozen. Put it in your dry, like that. Get your spatula and coat your berries with the flour. That way they won't sink in the bottom of your muffin. Okay. Now, all we're gonna do is, and the reason why you don't have to make sure this sugar is whipped in, because the sugar is actually going to melt when it bakes. All right, I made like a little well in the middle, and let's pour our wet in the middle. See how easy? Easy, easy, easy. And this is gonna be your best buttermilk berry muffins. Like I say, this recipe I got from Joy of Baking. So this is Miss Stephanie Jaworski recipe. But it's just like making any other muffins, like blueberry muffins. It's like you just adding, you know, and that way also you're just adding all the rest of the berries, and you're not using butter. That way if you want to put your muffins in the refrigerator, they'll stay moist. So the only thing you're doing is taking your spatula And you just stirring everything in. Yeah, you just stirring it in till you get all the flour moist and wet. So you see, you don't even need a mixer. Just fold everything in. All right, see the batter? It's stiff and sticky, but that's good because the berries are going to release juices, and as it get in the oven, you know, it's going to make it moist. There go our cupcake liners, so we should be able to make 12. So I'm just gonna take your ice cream scooper and get your scoop and scoop it in there. You can kind of fill these to the top because they're not gonna rise that much. All right, be right back. All right, there we go, that's 12. I think they're gonna make 13 because I have another scoop in there. I have my oven set at 375. I'm gonna put these in there for about 25 minutes. All right, see y'all when they come out. All right, y'all, it's been 25 minutes. Alexa, stop timer. Where I'm at? Right here. All right, it's been 25 minutes. There we go. Who's that hot? Let's do the toothpick test. Go in the middle. They're done. Yep, 25 minutes. All right, gonna let them cool off on the cooling rack, and we're going to taste them. Y'all see these babies? Look. Y'all see how nice they came out? Look at that, look at that. Yeah, I like that recipe there. Let me take my shades off. Let's put that over there. I don't have no milk. So let's get one. Let's see, I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna pick this one. Let's pick one and let's taste it. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Good morning. This is gonna be my breakfast this morning. Yeah, come on. Berry muffin. Oh, they're good and tender too. Oh. Look inside. Y'all see inside there? I eat my food. So I'm gonna have two for breakfast with some milk. Oh, I have no milk. Well, with some juice. All right. Y'all seen the blind bearded chef make it? Thank you, Miss Stephanie Jaworski. Y'all have a good one. Bye, y'all.